Once upon a time, almost 50 years ago, environment was very pristine, very beautiful and very green. The beautiful world free of pollution, abundance of natural resources, no plastic, clean water, and healthy plants, a complete ecosystem with peaceful lives. We started to clear cut the indigenous forests in order to establish commerce, which ultimately destroyed all the local biodiversity. As an environmental champion, Wangari Maathai says, peace is connected to good environment, and the three themes, peace, good governance, and sustainable management of resources are to be balanced, then alone can development take place. It was a time indeed. Animals were not just trespasses, but were a valuable gift to the people then. Yes, some of us are allergic, reluctant, and afraid of few creatures. But it's time. Let us start bit by bit to develop the spirit of generosity. As our grandpa said, air, water, land and natural resources are not inherited properties of our ancestors. They are the loans we have taken from our future generations, and we have the obligation to repay the loan with same pristine. And the loan was paid off with the same pristine purity. However, that's gone. We learned the lesson wrong. We created the disaster unknown. We know what we have done to ourselves. And the solutions too. But it's high time we unlearn the development and relearn sustainable living. Yes, often people play the role of mute spectator to many serious problems that threaten their peaceful lives. Primarily because they are ignorant of their right under law. If there is no end for the environmental degradation, exhaust from the automobiles, and the obnoxious smells from the open drains, then it's quite time the dreamer wake. If this environmental illiteracy continues to exist, our grandchildren will never know the tiger. The white bear cubs now in the north could be the last cubs ever. Let us live with that sense of accountability and fulfill our obligation in repaying the loan, at least, if not with the same pristine purity. Man gifted degradation and pollution to Mother Earth, and in return, she restrained herself in giving her priceless gifts. Let us not snatch away that extreme bliss which our future generations are yet to experience. Let us make health, harmony, and peace with a lifestyle come in combination with the 5 elements of nature. Let us give them the perfect refreshment of sitting in a shade on a fine day and look upon the verdure. Let us learn and teach the younger ones that ecosystem is meant not for the mere existence of man, but to maintain a collective harmony between birds and the beasts, organisms and the architecture. Prakriti Rakshati Rakshitah. Mother Earth protects us if she is protected.